In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to set up an HTML comment. So here we've got some text and we're saying make me into a comment. If we go out onto the website, render it out from the browser, we see that this code gets rendered out into the browser, and what we want to do is we actually want to comment this out. So it's actually not going to get rendered out into the browser. And commenting can be very useful in adding additional notes and information. So if you were writing out your HTML code and if you want to place an image somewhere, so you could do something like this, place image here, and if you don't have the image at the time, simply place a comment in its place. And that serves as a placeholder and allows you to, when you're revisiting the code, to better understand what you were thinking at the time when you were writing the code, and also allows you to create better structure of the code in case you don't have those assets immediately available. So in order to make these comments, all you have to do is do this less than sign, the exclamation mark, the two dashes, and then to whenever you're done with the comment. So comments can be multiple lines, and whenever you're finished with the comment, it's just two dashes and a greater than sign. And when I actually go out, if I save this page, if I go back out into the browser, I can see that this actually doesn't get rendered out, but if I go to the source, it's still in the source, and Chrome is actually making it green to indicate that this is a comment and it's not going to get rendered out. So that's how you set up a comment within HTML.